Okay, so for our haul today, because I do grocery shop once a week, I got the cinnamon dolce latte because it's delicious, and then we have our bubbler, blood orange mango. That's what it sounds like. We've got our Waterloos. These are the best waters right here. I prefer the cherry limeade personally, but everybody's different. Whatever floats your boat. So we have bad things. Cookies. I'm making chocolate chip cookies on the taco. Salad. So it's all about balance. You have cookies, but then you have the salad. Oatmeal. Can't start your day off without your oatmeal. Yogurt. This is for the girls. It's personally not mine. Let's do a slow tap on this one. It's flavorless. Your Irish butter. It's the best. It's very expensive, but sometimes it's worth the price to amount. And then we've got our mini peppers. Slice these babies up, dip them in hummus. The best. Sour cream. You gotta have sour cream with your tacos. Taco seasoning. And we're gonna chop up some avocado to give it the chef's kiss on the salad. Got our lunch meats. Gotta have your proteins. Hamburger for our taco salad. That's our haul for our True Estate Fortman Spam. Bye!